Your company is in the market for a cybersecurity insurance policy, and you've heard there are some specific requirements surrounding email security. When it comes to email protection, what exactly are those requirements that you'll have to meet in order to get a cyber insurance policy? Great question. Hey, we all know about insurance providers, right? I mean, gosh, I've got several teenagers in my house. I'm very familiar with car insurance and how that goes. So, when it comes to insurance, it's, whatever their requirements are, you want to make sure you know so that, hey, if you've signed off on an insurance policy and you've checked the box that you're doing certain things, no one's going to really audit that a lot of times for you. It's just going to come up. So say if you get hit with some type of ransomware and you need to make a large ransom payment, that's when the insurance company is going to come around and go, you know what, you're not really meeting the email security requirements that you signed up for, so we're not going to pay that ransomware policy that you have. So you want to make sure that you're really familiar with the requirements, because sometimes people check off on them and they actually are paying the premiums for their insurance and they realize they're actually not even covered when it's too late. So definitely some requirements I'm going to go over in this video that hopefully will help you out a little bit. At the very least, it'll help you get the insurance policy, but it also will help you save money on an insurance policy. Say your insurance policy might not require all these things, but if you're doing all these things, you're going to be able to lower your premium. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. But hey, if you'd like my recommendations on the best cybersecurity vendors to use to help you go through your email protection situation and really help you shore that up and improve it so that you can either meet your requirements of your current insurance policy or maybe lower the premiums of a future policy or current policy, reach out and contact me. I'd love to help you. I've been a broker for over 20 years. I know this industry inside and out, and that's why I do the videos. I'd love to help you out. So reach out, send me an email, give me a call. You'll talk with me personally, and I will help you make a better decision in a fraction of the time. Also, if you'd like to go onto our website, aerocominc.com, check out the cybersecurity offerings. You can search by the offering, by product features. You can read customer reviews. You can read about the different providers. It'll give you a nice, just overall perspective of how big the industry is and what players are out there. And as always, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, ring the bell, all that good stuff so that our videos get out to more people. I'm going to give you 5 requirements that are probably on a cybersecurity insurance policy. And if they're not, by doing these 5 things with your email protection, you will be able to lower your cybersecurity insurance premiums, most likely. Number 1, virus and spam protection. Obviously something that a lot of people have, but definitely have to have that dialed in for your email protection. Number 2, DNS authentication and advanced reputation checks. Number 3, multi-layered malware protection against current known threats, and zero-day threats. Number 4, URL rewriting with on-click scans to prevent malicious URLs and attachments. Number 5, content examination and data link prevention, DLP, for both outbound and inbound emails. Okay, so that's the 5 things. So by doing those things, by making sure your company's dialed in with those 5 things with your email protection, you're going to be meeting your email protection guidelines within your cybersecurity insurance policy, most likely. And if your policy doesn't require all those things or to that extent, if you present those things to your insurance provider and show them an auditor proof of it, a lot of times you'll be able to lower your cybersecurity insurance premium. So definitely some cool things to do there. And like I said earlier, if you'd like my help in recommending some vendors to you who can do those things for your email protection, reach out and contact me. I'm a broker for all the major service providers out there. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I represent every single major cybersecurity service vendor out there and who can help you with all this stuff. And I will introduce you to the right companies based on your company's requirements that my customers have had good experiences with. I'll make sure you're working with the best reps at those companies, oversee the quoting process to make sure you guys get the best pricing, And at the end of the day, I'm just helping you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time, as opposed to you just scouring the internet trying to figure out which vendors to quote on your own. And the nice thing is, on top of all that, is that I don't charge you a dime for my broker services. The service providers actually pay me my broker fee. So no excuse to at least not reach out, or just reach out and see what I have to say. So do that. That's the reason why I do these videos, is to try to get more people to call me and say, hey, I know what I'm doing. Been doing it a long time. Reach out, contact me. I'd love to help. Okay, so do that. That's a nice way to say thank you. Also, go check out our website, aerocominc.com. I guarantee you've never seen a website like this in our industry. You can browse all the major service providers by product, by feature, read reviews, watch videos on the providers, all kinds of good stuff. It's a great one-stop shop. But at some point through the process, you're going to get to the point where you're going to need to talk to somebody, and that's when you reach out and contact me. All right, well, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.